Okay, it's been a few weeks. It's still cold. We are going to at least see if we can break this down. I got a set of drivers, so let's see if we can find, should be maybe that one. If I can get it off this little set. Okay, maybe not. I don't want the plastic thing to break, I want the thing to come out. Okay, you gotta give them credit, they make them on there tight. Let's hope that's the right one. We got lucky, I guess the right one, see? It's a 5/16. Let's put this out of the way. And we are literally going to pop this sucker apart. Oh, I gotta get an adapter. Hold on. Where is an adapter? There's my adapter. And yes, I should use a regular wrench, but we are going to be lazy. We're going to use the impact. Okay. I'm going to break them all loose. This thing is very, very cold. My poor little hand is frozen. Okay, we are going to take these bolts out. I need to find a cup or something to put them in, but we are going to put them over here. They look awful dirty for being inside. Okay, do I have, well, so much for the glove. Yeah. Gloves just do not last like they, yeah, well, it is what it is. Do I have something to put those bolts in? That is not exactly what I'm looking for, but this will give me something that keeps them in the same place without dropping them off. And we will take the little love tap hammer here. I need a block. I get that one bolted down. Okay. Lack of better choices. Okay, take the plate off, flat plate, a little bit of dirt around the outside. It's going to need to be cleaned for sure. The seal doesn't look bad. Man, that sucker is cold. My fingers are just burning from the cold. I need to go grab another pair of gloves because this one's just shot. Okay, I am going to have to take that gear off. So I'm going to just turn this up and try to remember what that was. I think that was a 9/16, might have been a half. I don't remember. It's been so long since I've taken one of these apart. Yeah, 9/16. Okay. We might as well just use this since we have this. Ow, that didn't work. What did I hold that with last time? I didn't have a glove coming apart either. What did I hold that with? Definitely can't do it with that. I'm gonna see if I do it with that. There is a little lip on the bottom of this gear. I'm not putting it on the shaft. Let's see if I can get you in there in a second. Okay, if you look, I've got a, let's see if I got the camera angle right. There's a lip on the edge of this gear. I'm not getting into the teeth, and I'm not getting into the shaft. Up. No. Not tight enough. This little wrench is not a whole lot of... You just can't get any bite with this little cheap wrench. Okay, hold on a minute. Okay, a few days ago, we took this hydraulic pump off the Case 450 dozer. You can see the gear and everything. And this pump was a new pump with probably less than 200 or 300 hours on it. So, let's put the little bag in there. Now, y'all don't laugh at my excellent work table here. This is the best I've got. And it's actually in the sunlight, so that's a little bit better. And it's blocking the wind, so here's where we're at. Oh, shit. We're gonna leak a little. Maybe we won't do that. That didn't go as planned. Maybe we won't do that today. That's what will my hinges. See, this is called multitasking. Okay, let's set this over here, and let's find some of those fabulous crescent wrenches. Let's see if that happens to be the right wrench by any chance. It's not the right wrench, but the wrench will work. Okay, I am backing off this jam nut, and then I'm going to just turn this. No, I'm not. I got to take the other one out first. Everything's got to be complicated. Okay. I'm basically just taking these out so I have a smaller piece to work with and hopefully less oil. Okay. That goes there. Let's pour the rest of this on our basically, I'm just trying to make it so it doesn't make as big of a mess. Not that it's gonna really matter in here, but got what I got. So let's get rid of some of that. I'm using a clean area of the rag, not the dirty part that got sprayed on. But I am going to clean all this out later. Most likely have to replace this pump again. Now, the trick's going to be if I still have any Allen wrenches left. I do. Sit the right size. Oh yeah, we're lucky little critters today. Okay. Let's see if we can break these loose. Possibly. Maybe not. Okay, bring you back in a few minutes when I get this loose. I'm not even got you at the right end. Okay, I went ahead and got a pair of ratchet knuckle busters. I hate knuckle busters, but I kind of like this set. It ratchets down. It's good for holding things. It's not great for picking up other stuff. Some people like them. I'm not one of them, but it works. I did the same thing holding it where there's a nut and a washer under there. And then the gear is going to give me a hard time too. Let's see what I got here. If I can just... I hate to have to get a gear puller out just for that. Okay, I'm gonna have to get a gear puller. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, forgot you guys again. I took a screwdriver on the shaft here, gave it some love taps. I have it blocked so that you can see the knuckles in the shaft came out down there, and then you're caught up to where I'm at. I'm taking the gear off. You can see that little keyway that's in there. And I'll put that over here. When I pick this up, the shaft should come on down with the gears, and we can see inside the housing. Actually, it doesn't look too bad. I don't know if you can see that or not. There's a little bit of wear in there, but I'm going to have to get some towels and clean that out to see for sure. That one doesn't look bad. Doesn't look bad. A little bit of this and that on the shaft there, but there are some light scoring marks. I don't know if you can see that in there, but it's not enough to stop it from moving, which is going to lead me to believe that we have some more internal problems in the back end, which is not good, but we will clean this up and make sure, and then I will bring you back for a reinstall, and we will go into the back end, I guess, and check that part out. See you all next time.